Hello, my name is Martin Kożuch. I am a CTO in Ebacamp company in Poland. I want to show you a Mercedes U300 expedition vehicle. Welcome. We put lots of work in the chassis and we can say that it looks like new one. The truck is very short because it have less than 6 meters, so this is very big plus on the ferries and during the expedition. With additional work what we make on the cabin, on the vehicle, we install additional roof rack with 4 LEDs bar on it and 2 additional very strong lights on the cabin with LED ring. Truck have new tires and we install additional bigger diesel tank. We installed such stairs for the body and it's mounted on the front of the box. The truck is made for US market and for this we make decision that we install the doors, flaps and windows in this standard system. We made decision that we install body on this chassis on the original Mercedes subframe because then we can very quickly remove the body by unscrew only 4 screws and you can remove this body from this chassis. This truck have totally restored portal axles, brake system, springs and the bridges. Actually, this truck is waiting for the motorbike lift in this place. I want to add a few words about this project and the vehicle from the interior of this body. This truck comes in very rich equipment. It comes with 3 field blockades, 2 reducers, donkey and turtle, and also the very important thing, the steering wheel is moved from left to right side by press only 1 button. So this is very important for lots of people. This Unimog have 4.2 liter engine, 150 horsepower, and this is Euro 4. The body is made from the PET sandwich panel, which we made in our company. It look like this. This is the sandwich from this box, and inside you have 3 different layers of the PET, and on both sides you have a GRP material. We don't use the styrofoam and no wood, so this material have very long life. The thickness of this material is 65 mm and this is 100% winter version, and what is very important, in our boxes we don't have thermal bridges. In this body we have very big AGM battery system and 3 kilowatts Victron inverter, and on the roof 2 times 380 watts solar panels, so it's enough energy for the life. Okay, So I want to show you the body inside, and like you see, we have here a big living room with sofa, but this is also the bed. This table is on the electric leg, goes down, we put two pillows from the sofa on it, and we make here a very big bed. I show you this process. We're starting by this table from the pilot. Firstly, the table go up. Then we open additional two elements. We lock it. And the table goes down. Then we put two pillows from the sofa on it. And we got a huge bed. First, when you go into the box, you can see kitchen with sink, two taps. One tap is for the drinking ozonate water, gas cooker, and also here you have a steering panel. On left side you can see a living room. Here we have an entrance to the cabin, fridge, and the bathroom. Here is entrance to the cabin. We open it and we go inside. Full cabin is in the leather. In the cabin we installed additional speaker system. And on this monitor you can change between two cameras on the back. Here you can see quick ladder, outside table, mirror, and here we have a wardrobe, and under the wardrobe we have a safe. Thank you for watching. watching this video. See you in next project, and if you are interested to make something with our company, please contact us. Thank you very much. Bye bye.